We have three different examples here. Count if not complete. We're going to count not canceled in. We're going to count greater than 20. Brad Williams XL prime. We're counting. We're going to use some operators. What are we doing here? In the above example, E5 to E11, we see a list of cells. Complete represents the value that you don't want counted. Every other value will be tallied. Here's the formula. COUNTIF E5 not, remember, less than, greater than, not complete. This one can throw a curveball at you if you mess up. The operator for not equal in Excel is less than, greater than, and not this period. That period just, E5 is not equal to 12, is equal to E5 is not equal to 12. E5 is not equal to complete. E5 is not complete. COUNTIF E5, E11 does not equal to 20. Not equal to 20. COUNTIF E5, 11 is not equal to complete. What is critical here? You're looking at the quotes. This is wrong because there's no end quotes. We need to put our quotes in there, and I need to fire whoever's typing this. Oh, I think I entered all of this. Here we can also show not. D5 not equal to and D5. Note where the quote. Here, for instance, if the value in cell E5 is 15, the concatenate criteria will be greater than or equal to 15. All right? I do this all the time. And I think you probably need to get into the habit of doing it. So here, I probably concatenated this 20. Nope, I did not. Here it is, very simple. Here's the anatomy. I don't think I need to remind you. COUNTIF, count cells that meet a criteria. COUNTIF, here, what are we counting? E, canceled, canceled, completed, fulfilled. Not complete. We don't want to count this one, and we want to count everything else. We don't want to grab or show this information. We're just counting, all right? Let's take a look. Criteria. The criteria is pretty obvious. We already set that out. What are the arguments? Range and criteria. The outcome will be F9, cancel, cancel, complete, and the criteria, which we already know is going to be not complete. And then the outcome, just look here, F9, and it's going to be 6. Not canceled. All right, count everything that says that's not canceled. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Greater than 20. Ooh, there's a twist there. We were looking at status. All of a sudden, we jump over into D, curveball. We're just counting how many are greater than 20. F9. And we're just messing things up. Actually, we're just looking to see how many visually, and this is why I do F9, so you could see just off the bat, if there's a screw up here, you could easily just see it and go, well, this is greater than 20, and that's greater than 20, and we had the answers too. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for watching. See you soon.